Inside your Autoerra box, you'll find everything you need to install your new license plate frame. All trim pieces are interchangeable. Easily swap them out to match your style or the season. When installing the hinge, align it carefully and press until it locks securely into position. Use a screwdriver to tighten the frame in. That's it. Solid, silent and secure with Autoerra. Most license plate frames look the same, until they start rattling, scratching your car and ruining the driving experience. Meet Autoerra, the smart alternative. Built with an anti-vibration technology and scratch-proof materials, it stays silent and protects your car's finish. No rattles, no damage, just durability and elegance, all in one.